and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to do another unboxing, and this time we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of May. I cannot believe that I already received this box. We are on May 5th and I have got my box today. I just opened it and sanitized and put everything back there. Actually, it was interesting that my box this month came from Poland. I know that Lookfantastic has various warehouses in Europe, so usually it was coming through Germany, but this month it arrived from Wrocław or so. So I think this is the reason that I've got my box so early. So if you are not aware, Lookfantastic is a huge online retailer, and they also do have a monthly beauty box which starts from £15 per month if you choose for monthly recurrence of the subscription, or you can opt for 3, 6 or 12 months, and the price per box per month is slightly decreasing. For this month, this box is a baby green, a light pastel green. Get lost in the wilderness, you were born to be free. We are getting a leaflet that tells you everything about the products inside, including prices. They also give you the sneak peek for the next month. So in this case, on next month, we are going to get a shower gel by Magnitone Brown, which retails for £10, and this is in the fragrance Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel bath and shower gel. I so much enjoy those Magnitone Brown shower gels. I am currently using another shower gel from them. It's some ginger and some other fragrance, and I love, and the actual 100 milliliter size is quite generous. So yeah, looking forward to try this. I have another one which I don't open it yet, and this it will be the second backup, so really tough for that. Everything is wrapped in green paper, and we are also having green worms. So those are the products inside. Now, before we are going and dig into the box, I want to see what is the theme for the box. So this is the Botanical Edition. Step into the wild and embrace the natural world this May with our Botanical Edition Beauty box. Focusing on the power of plants, this month's box is full of gentle, effective products that are free from toxins and are sure to brighten up your beauty collection. In this month's beauty box edit, we are bringing you an exclusive interview with Quidco, a DIY botanical face mask recipe, and delving into the power of pineapple in your skincare routine. And this is signed by Amelia. What is in the box? So, first product is this Wipe Out by Magnitone London. I never heard about this brand before. Let this Magnitone cleansing cloth remove your makeup with just warm water. Okay, so another microfiber for removing makeup. I don't know what happened this month, but I have noticed, because I'm watching several girls that are unboxing the BoxyCharm, so all BoxyCharm boxes for this month, they were giving the makeup eraser, and I suppose this is a dupe because it is the same kind of material. Grab and hold microfibers, remove even the toughest of makeup. Simply throw in the washing machine at 30 degrees and reuse up to 1,000 of time. Thousands, not 1,000, but thousands. How to use: wet cloth with warm water and gently wipe away your makeup using circular motions. So I think all of us know how to use it. Let's open it up to see how it looks like. Ooh, so it's gray. It's really soft. Actually, I don't have anything like this color. I have only purple, 2 types of purple, because I have the original makeup eraser, and I have a makeup that I bought a while ago from iHerb, and I have anything like this size. And also I like the fact that you have here a holder. So you have in your bathroom some holders that you can pin on the walls, so you can hang it down and be ready to remove your makeup whenever you want. Okay, and this was inside. Magnitone London. Blend beautifully conditioned skin. What else they are offering? They have some cleansing devices, including something which is similar with Foreo, if I'm not wrong. And this is looking like a shaving tool or so. And also on this side you are able to see that they also have some skincare. Actually, I will check on Lookfantastic website to see what are the prices for those products, and who knows. Next we have something what I was really excited about when I saw it. This is by Ico London, and this is their brow gel, style and definition. So I suppose this is a universal shade. Okay, you know what? Not bad. I really love it. Oh my god, I don't know if you can tell, but I really love it. I don't know if it has some fibers inside. Yes, I think it has. But let's find out more. So this is Ico Mini Eyebrow Gel, worth £10. This Ico Brow Gel tames unruly eyebrows and provides long-lasting hold without flakiness or stuffiness. Infused with beneficial ingredients including keratin and ginkgo biloba to condition and thicken the hairs. The nano brush allows you to precisely define your brows but keeps them looking natural. Remove the excess product from the brush and apply in upward strokes. So yeah, something which I'm not sure if I showed you, the brush. The brush, it's really tiny. It is similar with the brush from the Benefit, how it is called, Gimme Brow. Really excited about this product. Next we have Cores Hydra Biome Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask, 20 ml. And this retails for £9.40. So if you are wondering, all the prices are in British pound because this is a UK beauty box. So suitable for all skin types, but especially great for sensitive skin. This Cores face mask soothes, hydrates and cools for the ultimate pampering and nourishing feel. How to use? Apply a thick lather onto clean, dry skin and leave for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Okay, so this is something which I'm looking forward to try because I love the brand Cores. Oh, so it is sealed, so unfortunately I will not open it now, but you will hear me talk about this even on my favorites or on my empties video because I'm planning to use. I don't have so many masks to begin with. Next we have the Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist, 10 ml, and this worth £10. So this is how it looks like, and this is coming handy because I have just finished my hyaluronic acid. This is cool because you can spritz it anytime you need some moisture onto your face. Award-winning, skin-quenching, brightening and incredibly hydrating, this Balance Me facial mist instantly rejuvenates dry skin. Designed to replace a toner in your skincare routine, fix makeup in place and refresh your face throughout the day. How to use? Spray onto face and pat excess moisture into skin until fully absorbed. As I thought, it can be used anytime during the day, and I love the brand Balance Me. I have had some other products from them and I really enjoyed them. 2 more products to go. This is by Dr. Lipp. Tiny little guy. Dr. Lipp 100 Natural Moisturizing Color Lip Tint in Sweet Potato. So we get here 3 ml. On the leaflet it's written 3 ml, but on the actual tube is written 4 ml. So whom to believe? Of course I will believe what is written here. Get a subtle pop of color and ultra hydration with this Dr. Lipp tint, a tinted balm made with just 4 natural ingredients. Lanolin gives the balm its moisturizing properties, whilst sweet potatoes provide the tint. 100 natural and cruelty-free, this balm will leave your lips super soft. I have another Dr. Lipp tint balm. This is how it looks like. It's sticky, but it's really sticky. When I'm blending into the skin, the actual color is starting to fade. So it's mostly for the shine and for nourishing your lip and not so much about the color. But yeah, you can throw this on your purse and you can hydrate your lips on the go. So this is really, really exciting. It's really cute. And the last product from my Lookfantastic Beauty box, and the most expensive product. And this is also the sneak peek from the last month. This is the Avant or Avant, or how you prefer to call it, Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. And this retails for £100. You get here 50 mils. Well, let me tell you that I do not agree with this price. I have used already one product from Avant or Avant, and they are nice, but I haven't seen spectacular result to make me repurchase. If something claims to cost £100, I think in US dollars it's $110, $120. For those money, they should remodelate my face and get rid of all my skin problems, fine lines and whatever. At least I can enjoy the experience of some luxury product. Get a bright and smooth complexion with the help of this rich anti-aging Avant moisturizer. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, shea butter and sweet almond oils to tighten and firm for a more youthful complexion. Massage into the skin in circular motion, starting from the inner portion of your face to the outer. You can apply a pea-sized amount to clean dry skin every morning and evening. Okay, so this is the product. I suppose it's sealed, so I cannot test it right away. And for the money, I would prefer to not open it right now because it has only 12 months shelf time. So right now I'm going through some other skincare that I need to finish, but for sure I will give you info about this product. Maybe I will even do some review. I will wear it for 2 weeks and I will do a before and after and show you whether this product does something for your face or no. Yes, I got this brilliant idea, and I think I will do this for you whenever I will decide that I need to open it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, and this wraps up this month Beauty Box unboxing, their Botanical Edition. We've got a £100 Avant or Avant Hyaluronic Duo Moisturizer, a Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Spray, a Ico Tinted Brow Gel, a Caress Face Mask, a Dr. Lipp Tint Lip Balm, and a Magnitone Wipeout Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. The total value is about £140, and of course the guilty for this value is this bad boy from Avant. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below what do you think especially about this product. If you have used it, if you used some other products from this brand, and if you noticed some effect on your skin. I'm really curious to know. Maybe it's just me, but maybe there are some people who can really see some difference. So I will I will enjoy to hear that from you. And also, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share them with those people. Okay, this is all for today. This is the May edition of Lookfantastic unboxing. I hope you have a fantastic day. I will put on the screen some videos that I recommend you to check, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Have a nice, great day. Bye bye! Okay.